Alright, so today me and Canton are going to pull apart. He's going to see if he can find an LS engine for his truck. He's going to LS swap his truck. His thing remote don't work half the time. Alright, anywho. So we're going to do another cold start on the truck. Did a burn it yesterday. I pissed the neighbor off. Oh well. He'll be fine. Do another cold start on the truck. Canton and I are going to Lowe's. He's going to buy another tool set. We have a lot of tools, but like we're lazy, don't push it back, so like you can't find any of it. So we're going to Lowe's buy some more tools and come back. All right, so just in case we do find an engine, going to get the old tire here. Is this it? I mean, it's gotta be it. Yeah. Big ass hole right there. I popped this tire running over that lawnmower deck right there, so. We're gonna need this tire and some ratchet straps. Awesome. All right. Now some ratchet straps. Got to go get the ratchet straps. Actually, I got some in the truck. Oh, we're good. Alright, off the pull apart. We got it. We found this one, and there's another Tahoe right there. They both had engine in it, but the one over there was missing. Someone had took all the whole rocker assembly and everything out of the passenger side of that motor. So we found this one. It's completely intact. The only thing missing is the alternator. So yeah, we're gonna get this loaded up, and then we're gonna walk around, look for some other stuff, and then we'll get it home and then get it unloaded and start the whole LS swap on his truck. You gonna pressure wash it? Oh, I forgot. You gotta hold the camera sideways. That's how you fucking properly video. There you go. Alright, so the power steering pump will have a cap on it, and we've got to pressure wash the engine. So we're gonna take the cap off this one. And put it right there. Hey, you're gonna have to push this engine over here, and I can't get it done. This is awkward. You gotta push it.
It's literally strapped down.
It's literally strapped down. Look at that. Now put the cap in. You gonna hurry up? This ain't, there you go. All right. We're gonna put the pressure regulator in. We're gonna duct tape that. Probably cover that up. And then you can pressure wash it.